Hello everybody, it's Mr. McGlinchey again. How are you today? Are you ready to do some science experiments at home? We'll use stuff you can find around the house. Today, we're going to do an experiment about Arctic animals. Have you ever wondered how polar bears can swim in that cold, cold water? Or thought about whales in the ocean? How do they stay in that cold water? Or seals? Well, the answer to that question is fat, my friends. And I'm going to show you how they do it. What we'll need for today's experiment is Crisco. Use it a lot of time in baking. It's going to be our substitute for fat. 2 ziplock bags, a spatula, duct tape, and a bowl of ice water. I'll wait here while you go get your supplies. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open one of our Ziploc bags. We're going to take our spatula. I'm running out of Crisco, so I'm going to use this to get as much of this as I can in the bag. It's kind of sticky. We're going to push all that in there. That's what I have for Crisco. Looks like I'll have to buy more next time I go to the store. We're going to put this aside for now. Next, we're going to take our second Ziploc bag. We're going to open that up. We're going to put our hand in. And then we're going to put this bag inside of the other bag. We'll squish down that. We're going to move that Crisco around and spread it out a little. Once we have our Crisco in there and our second bag, we're going to fold the first bag over the second bag. So we'll have a nice, easy way to get our hand in. Next, we're going to take our duct tape. Let's see, is it? There we go. Pull some of this off. We're going to wrap it around so our bags don't come apart. Now we'll do it to the other side. Now we have, make sure the fat's on both sides. Now we have our mitt ready to go. First thing I want you to do is make sure that water is nice and cold. So we're going to put our hand in there to make sure. Woo! That is cold water. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the ice has worked and it's cold. Now we're going to put our lard glove on. That's what I call it. And I'm going to put it in. Why don't you try it at home, and we'll talk about what happened a little bit later. So how did it go? Pretty amazing what happens, right? If you're trying to think of another way to possibly do this, what you could do is take one hand, put it in the ice, water, oh my goodness, and count. See how long you can keep that hand in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that's cold. Okay, I got to about 10 seconds. Now I'm going to try it with the other hand and my lard glove. See if I can do 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Friends, my hand is not cold. I could be here all day. That's how it works for the mammals in the Arctic. The polar bears, seals, whales, they all have this layer of fat that keeps their blood and organs warm. I hope you had a good time doing this experiment. Come back and see me, all right?